Hello coders, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna solve a famous or nice question. Like I enjoy this question, so I hope ki you will also enjoy. Or I wish ki I'll make you enjoy this question. So let's see what the question is. This is really nice question, and I'll say ki you have to watch it till end. It's really nice. So yeah, let's see the question. The question is 735. 735, fifth question basically. It's asteroid collision. And what question says? Ki we are given an array asteroids of integers representing asteroid in row. Okay, we have given the asteroids row, and the indices of the asteroid in the array represent their relative position in the space. Okay, there are the asteroids in the space, and basically the indices basically they're the position, like first position, second position, third position. Likewise, the indices are the position of that asteroid. And now what about the asteroid? For each asteroid, the absolute value represent its size. Okay, absolute value, they have said absolute value. Okay, and the sign represent its direction. Positive means right and negative means left. Basically, you can imagine a asteroid is going in right direction, it will have a plus sign. A asteroid which going in left direction, it will have a minus sign. And its value, that is a numerical value, it's its size. And each asteroid moves at the same speed. Okay, it no let they have mentioned that each asteroid is moving with the same speed, but just a difference is their size and their direction of moving, but speed is same. Then find out the state of asteroid after all collisions. Okay, it's basically means ki the one which is going to right and the one which is going left, they're gonna collide, right? So after collision, the one who has the less size gonna explode, and the one who has the large size gonna be stay there, or the will continue move with the direction whatever it has. So what they have told, what they expect us ki write down or find which asteroid will live in that array, and which asteroid will collide. Like we don't have to return which asteroid get destroyed, but the one which collision occurred, and the after that the one which survived, that asteroid's vector we have to return. And yeah, we'll see through the uh, examples and the intuition also. So basically, first we will see what they have to, what they want us uh, they want collision. And what do we have? We have signs. Like through the signs we are getting directions, and through the direction we can see ki they will collide or will not collide. So the collision occur between two asteroid, right? And how we can say ki the asteroid will collide with other one which that we will draw from the current one, that will take a current, like we'll take an asteroid, and we'll see ki is there any asteroid before it which is coming towards my asteroid, or I am going towards it. Basically, A going towards B or B going towards A. Both will be the same here for this question. And yeah, that we have to check. So let's see if our asteroid that we recently visited, in that will store, right? Wherever we will store that recently visited asteroid, the recent one asteroid and the current one asteroid, both will have a plus sign. What does it mean? If they have a plus sign, it means कि both are going towards right direction. So no, they will not collide. Why? Because both have the same speed. Just difference is their size. So both, if they have the same speed and in the same direction, there no collision will occur. Then what if the previous one have plus sign? That is the previous one asteroid is going in right direction, and the current one is going in left direction, then they will collide, right? If it is plus sign, like plus means what, it's going in right direction. If it's going in right direction, it will look like this. And if it the other one, which is current asteroid, is going in left direction, it will look like this. And as you can see the both arrows are coming towards each other, so the collision will occur. So this condition, if our asteroid satisfies this condition, then we can say कि collision is agreed. Then what can happen ki our recent one, that recent asteroid can have a minus sign, that is it will it is going in left direction, and the current one can have plus sign. It means ki it's going in right direction. In this case, also, ki is this is going in left direction. It means ki it I'm not saying ki in this case collision will occur. I'm just trying to find ki if collision will occur or not. If it is going minus means it is going in left direction, then it is left direction. Plus means what? It's going in right direction. It means this direction. Will they collide? No, because both are going in opposite directions. But they ultimately, like, first the one was going in left direction, and the other one which is coming now, it is going in right direction. So they never gonna meet each other. Then collision will not occur. Then we have minus minus, that is both are going in left direction. Then also no collision will occur because both are going in same direction only. So the only remains like this condition, like the recent one should be going, the recent asteroid that I have, like, yes, we have visited, that should go in right direction, and the one which we are currently at, that should go in left direction. So in only in this condition, the collision will occur, that we find out now. So the from the long, like, from the explaining intuition from the start, I'm saying ki the recent one. So whenever there is a question of the recent one, the last visited one, the previous one, it's like the such words comes in our intuition, or such words comes in our logic, then we have to use stack, because stack gives our last 10 first out, the recent one we can get from the stack. So we'll use stack data structure and we'll store it. But while returning, what they want, it want in the same order which they have given in question. So when at the end, when the answer will asteroids will be there in our stack, we'll take it out in vector and we'll reverse it, and then we'll return it. Okay. So yeah, uh, first condition, like, first thing which we found out ki this condition should satisfy for the collision. So let's copy it and paste it here. So that this condition should be satisfied. This is our first clue. Then what we want, key, this is our first thing. Now we'll see examples first, and then we'll code. uh, let's take out this example. And what does this example says? Key, we have 5 10 minus 5. So when 5 comes, let's say key, I'm taking this like this. This is my stack. I'm taking stack from left to right. My left point is basically a blocked point, and right point is open point. And from right direction, numbers will come and will go. And yeah, that's how I can tell you here. So first asteroid will come 5. Okay, stack was the empties, and I'll push it here. Then we have 10, as 5 also in right direction. And this is not satisfying this condition. This condition should satisfy. Okay. And also we have, now we have 10. So this is going in 5 going in right direction, 10 going in right direction. How we found it? Because both have the plus sign. Then we have minus 5. Minus 5, it means ki 10 and minus 5 gonna collide. Why? Because as this 10 have plus sign, and this is going, 10 is going, like, this condition is occurring here. Ki basically this arrow will, yeah. So this is the scenario, and because of this, these two asteroids gonna collide. And when these two asteroids gonna collide, they have told us that the one which has a smaller absolute value will explode. So from 10 and minus 5, from 10 and 5, which is small, 5 is small, so minus this 5 will be exploded, and we will remain with 10 only. So in our final answer, the answer our final answer, only the 10 and 5 and 10 will be there. So basically, when there was a 5 and 10, our we put it, like, we will store it in our vector. So while storing, we'll take uh, topmost, then 10 and 5, then we have to reverse it, and then after reversing it becomes 5 10, and we have to return it, and the 5 10 is our answer. Take a next example, that is minus 8 and minus 8. In this case, what they have, 8 means plus and minus 8 is minus, so again this condition satisfies, and as they have both have the same mass, they both will collide, and they both will explode, and no one will be there in the asteroid list, and yeah, answer is empty as expected. And then we have this 10 to minus 5. In 10 to minus 5, 10 going in right direction, 2 going in right direction, minus 5 going in left direction, so 2 and minus 5 gonna collide. So when 2 and minus 5 gonna collide, as 2 and 5 is greater, 2 will be destroyed, 2 will be exploded, and minus 5 will be there. Minus 5 and 10. Minus 5 going in left direction, 10 is going in right direction. Again 10 and basically, let me write it here. 10 and minus 5 will be there. First take 10, 2 and minus 5. In this condition, 10, 2 and minus 5 will be collide, and it will be remain with minus 5. It will be, the explosion will be continue until the explosion condition is satisfied. It's not like uh, after one explosion the energy is released and no one gonna collide. It's not like this. The it will be the explosion will be continue until the condition is satisfied. First, 2 for 2 and minus 5, 2 2 will be exploded cause 2 has less mass than 5. Now for 10 and minus 5, 5 will exploded cause 5 have less size than 10. So 5 will be exploded, and then we remain with 10, and we'll return 10, and the answer is 10. So yeah, so next, take next question, sorry, next example, that is this one. uh, for this case, we have three. Let's take, for this we have 3 5, 3 going in right direction, 5 going in right direction, 5 and minus 6. This is going in right direction, this is going in left direction, both will collide. 6 is greater and then 5, so 5 will explode. The condition is satisfying for this also, like when 5 will explode, 3 will be there, 3 is going in right direction, then 3 will be also exploded because 6 is greater than 3, so we'll remain with 6 only, minus 6 only. Then we have 2, this is going in left direction, this is going in right direction, both never gonna be met, so we have 2 will be as it is there, like 2 will, we're gonna include 2. Then we have minus 1, 2 is going in right direction, minus 1 going in left direction, so both will gonna collide. After collision, 1 2 is greater than 1, so 1 will explode and 2 will be remain, so our answer will include 2. Then we have 4, 2 going in right direction, 4 going in right direction, so we'll include 4. So now we are remain with minus 6, 2 and 4. So this will be our answer. Now we'll take next example also. I have this one. For this, what happened? We have minus 2, like both are going in left direction. So we'll take minus 2 left direction, minus 2 again left direction. Now we have 1 that is going in right direction. As 1 is going in left direction and 1, like minus 2 is going in left direction. Minus 2 is going in left direction. 1 is going in right direction. So nothing will happen. So 1 will be there. Then we have minus 2. As 1 is going in right direction, minus 2 going in left direction, both will collide. 1 is less than 2. So 1 will explode, minus 2 will be there. Again we have minus 2, but as all are going in same direction, there nothing will happen. Now we have this one. I think we solved this one. Now we can take this thing, the last example. Then we will start coding. Yeah. For this, what we can do here, we'll take first minus 9 as stack is empty. 5 minus 9 was going in left direction, 5 going in right direction, so nothing will happen. We'll take it. Now we have minus 7 and 5. They both will collide because 5 going in right direction, minus 7 going in the left direction. So 7 is greater than 5. 5 will collide, minus 7 will be there, and after that we have minus 9. Minus 9 going in left direction, and both are going in same direction, so both never gonna collide. Then we have 5. As both were going, like minus 7 going in left direction, 5 will go in right direction, so we'll take it as it is. Then we have 2. 2 also going in right direction, we'll take it as it is. Then we have minus 5. Minus 5 going in left, 2 going in right, both will collide, 2 will get exploded. Then we have 5. 5 and minus 5 both are same, both will get exploded. Like in this example, minus 8 and 8, they were exploded, like 5 and minus 5 both will exploded. Then we have again minus 5. So minus 7 and everyone before the asteroid which we visited before minus 5, where they were going in left directions, and it is also going in left direction, so nothing will happen. Then we have 8. 8 going in right direction, and the one asteroid which we visited now, like recently, was going in left direction, so nothing will happen. Recently visited was going in left, and the currently going visited in right, so there is no collision. And then we have 3. 8 going in right, 3 also going in right. Then we have 10. 10 also going in right. The answer is same, that is minus 7, this one. So let's code it. So yeah, I think these are the enough examples that I have explained. While coding, we will repeat it again. Basically, we want stack, we'll take stack ant, and we can say it is st, stack st, and we'll take one asteroid from asteroids. Let me take, like, copy it from here. And yeah, if my stack is empty, then just push it inside my stack, because there will be nothing to compare. Like there is nothing, no asteroid is there to collide, or no asteroid is there to compare, so we'll just push that asteroid inside the stack. If st dot empty, that is st is empty, then push it inside our stack. And if it isn't empty, if my stack isn't empty, then I mean, if I do just else, then also fine. Cause if or else, if it is empty or it is not empty, there will be only this condition: ki if it is empty or if it is not empty. So yeah, if it is empty, then we'll just push that asteroid. If it isn't empty, then what we have said, ki it collision will occur until the condition satisfies. So what was the condition? First, my there should be something in stack. What I'm doing, like why I'm checking it because after collision it may happen ki there will be nothing in the stack after the second like, as it is while loop, in the second loop, third loop, some in next loop. For the first loop there will be something in stack, but for the next loop there can be nothing in the stack, so we have to check ki stack is empty or not. So until stack isn't empty, and my when the explosion can happen, ki let's say if stack isn't empty, I know, but what I can say ki else, if my st dot top is greater than, this condition should satisfy, right? My st dot top should be plus and the coming one should be minus. The st dot top is greater than 0 and the coming one, that is ast, should be less than 0. In that condition I have to do it, and like in that condition only collision will occur, and we'll see this. So while my st dot isn't empty and my st dot top is greater than 0, and it, because this is the condition, right? My recent one should be greater than 0 and coming one should be less than 0, then condition will happen, so the collision will happen. So st dot top is greater than 0 and my st dot top should be also greater than absolute value of ast. Then and then only, sorry, my st dot top is should be less than the absolute value of ast. Then and then only the topmost or the recent one asteroid will be exploded. I just want to make sure ki that the recent one is exploding or the current one exploding. So this condition is for the last one which is exploding, the recent one which is exploding. St isn't empty, st top is greater than 0, that is it was going in right direction, and my st dot top was less than its absolute value, it's less than the absolute value of coming asteroid. In that case I will do st dot pop. And now what I will do, I will check if my st is empty or not, because if it can happen my st is empty, or my st dot top value and absolute value of AST are equal. Both can happen. Or it can happen कि ST dot top was greater than ST dot the absolute value of AST. Okay, so to just check if my ST isn't empty, then what I have to do here कि ST isn't empty, then it can happen कि my ST dot top like my top value and the current value is same. So I can check if my ST dot top, or I can say, yeah, if my st dot top is equal, let me take one variable bool, is same, is same. Right now I don't know is same, both value are same or not, so I am taking it as a 0. Is same is 0, and yeah, st dot top equal to absolute value of ast, then it means ki both are same. So I can say ki my uh, pop out that the recent one st dot pop, and is same is equals to true, that yeah both were the same. And if my is same is equals to 1, it means ki if they were the same, then I don't want to include current asteroid, so just continue the process. And then we will see ki if this doesn't happen, ki st dot top wasn't equal to absolute value of ast, if st dot top was less than absolute value of ast, it was popped out in this condition. It means ki we remain with just one condition, that is st dot top is greater than ast. So in that case also, like if I say ki if my st dot top is greater than absolute value of ast, in this case also I have to continue, right? And continue. And and what can happen? Yeah, this is the thing. And if st isn't empty, then this can happen. If st was empty, then just push it, st dot push the asteroid. And here, if this is also not happen, like st dot top was less than the ast, then I have to push this st dot ast inside it. So here we can say ki we are just repeating the thing that if it this term, if in if also we have written this, and at else also we have written this, so we can just skip this and we can just write this thing ki my ast is st dot push ast is st dot push ast, cause in else here I as I did continue it, my pointer will like execution pointer will not continue the further code. So yeah, in that case also it's not gonna push, but as this both condition will get failed, in that case our asteroid will be in our stack. So yeah, in this case, yeah, and after that what we want, key our answers like vector, we have to take a vector int answer, like our answer vector basically, and we have to take while my st isn't empty, st empty, and we have to push it answer dot push st dot top and st dot pop. After that we have to reverse it because they want it in this like in left to right order which was present in original vector. So reverse our answer vector and we have to return it. So basically let's check the code first because this is a really nice example we can say ki which leads to fail many times. Yeah, let's see. And let's see here. What can happen here? We took asteroid. We check if our stack is empty. If our stack is empty, then push that asteroid inside the stack. If our stack isn't empty, then just check it of our yes. Uh, else, if this condition isn't happen, then what can happen? Whatever whatever is there, we just have to push st dot push ast like this. And yeah, if st is empty, then we have to push if st dot uh, top is greater than 0 and asteroid is less than 0, that is the collision condition. In that case we'll check if after collision we have to include our asteroid or not. So for that we will go here, we'll check our st isn't empty and st dot top is greater than 0 and our st dot top is less than absolute value of ast, then st dot pop. If st isn't empty, we'll check if it is same or not. If it is same, like the asteroid is same and the top was the same, then we just pop out that stop because here we didn't did that. This condition we checked here, and if it is same then continue. If our asteroid top was greater than absolute value, then also continue because in that case our asteroid will explode. And if it isn't, then we will push that asteroid inside our stack. And yeah, looks fine. Run it. We'll check what fails. I think something will fail because it failed many times. Answer dot push back. Okay, it shouldn't fail because we wrote code whatever we were uh, in whatever we were thinking of from that. Given a runtime error of referencing behind misleading address. So we have to check if st isn't empty or not. What can happen? Where can this thing happen? We can check. If st is empty, then we are pushing it inside it. st isn't empty, then okay, we have to check here key st isn't empty, then st isn't empty, then check it because it can happen ki there is nothing in stack and we are checking it. Then this happened. So what other thing can happen ki 8 and for 8 and minus 8 basically it is not satisfying for the same thing. If st isn't empty, okay, for 8 will come, we'll push it inside the stack. 8 is there, then minus 8 will come. Our st dot top was greater and ast was less, so we'll go st is wasn't empty and our st dot top was greater than 0 and st dot top was was less than absolute dot ast. No, it wasn't. We'll go our st wasn't empty, so is same is equals to 0. Array yaar, we have to push was, if it is 1 then we have to make it 1 and if it is 1 then we have to continue. So yeah, just submit it and I think it will get accepted, or yes, it get accepted and it beats 100%. So what's the time complexity for this? As we are using just stack here, the time complexity is big of n, and sorry, as we are just traversing throughout the vector once, is big of time complexity is big of n, and we are storing it inside the stack, that extra space complexity is big of n. So for we solve this question in time complexity big of n and space complexity big of n. So yeah, I think you understood my answer, and if you like it then like, share and subscribe. We'll meet in next video. Till then, bye bye.